For this vegan pistachio ice cream, I start by heating the soy milk. Then I add the sugar and a little of oatmeal that will thicken the preparation. I also add a pinch of mahlab to deepen the pistachio flavor. Let me introduce you my magical ingredient for this ice cream, mahlab powder. Mahlab is a very popular spice in the Middle East. It's used to make cakes, but also breads, cookies, drinks. It's made out of the seed of a wild cherry. It has a delicate fruity flavor with its notes of bitter almond. I am only using a pinch to deepen the taste of the pistachio. A little goes a long way. So I warm the milk until it starts to simmer, stirring frequently. Then I cover the pan and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I blend the milk, first alone and then with the pistachio paste. And see how the milk has thickened. For this recipe, you can use your favorite plant-based milk, provided that it does not affect the delicate taste of pistachio. I'm using a homemade pistachio paste. Of course, I recommend you to make your own pistachio paste. It's really better, but I understand that's not always possible. So when choosing a pistachio paste, make sure that it is free of artificial colors and flavors. And also you will probably have to adjust the proportions because commercial pistachio pastes are more concentrated than homemade ones. Personally, I don't like to use food colors, but when it comes to pistachio ice cream, I am totally fine with adding a few spinach leaves that will boost the color. I pour the preparation into the Ninja Creamy Pins. I made the double recipe because believe me, this ice cream disappears very quickly. As always, I freeze the pins for 24 hours. The next day, I lock the pin and select the ice cream program. I get a fabulous texture. I can assure you that this vegan pistachio ice cream is as good as its traditional cousins. The vegetation on our planet is full of wonderful resources to satisfy our taste buds and our creativity. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do not hesitate to ask us questions or share your impressions in comments. We are always very happy. See you next week!